Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. Today we're going to be continuing on in my weekly planner for this week. So I already have a plan with me where I set up the base of the spread. I did my weekly actions for the week, and I also planned for Monday. That was my weekly planning routine. So we're going to be continuing on. We're going to fill out a little bit more stuff in my planner here, add some more stickers in, and we'll also do a daily plan with me for Thursday, the 14th, which is tomorrow. It is Wednesday. It's about 3 p.m. I have to leave to go get the kids from school in just a little bit, but before we do that, I am gonna just get set up in here. Starting with, I can put in our dinner for tonight. We're gonna have takeout tomorrow. I need to keep my schedule kind of flexible tomorrow. The school called and they said I didn't have to pick her up, that my one daughter seemed a little bit sick, just like already at the end of the day. So we'll have to just kind of see what's happening. I pretty much ended up working all day Tuesday and then filming all day today. That is just how it worked out. So I am actually gonna peel, well, I am gonna peel that up. I should have used undo because I just ripped that sticker in half, but we will get a different one. I pretty much spent most of today like filming, wrapping presents, working on annual reflections, planner lineup, different things like that. And yesterday, like I said, I pretty much just worked the whole day. So we can just kind of run it like that. Then last night we actually started a new TV show, which we've not done in a while. So I'm gonna put that in. And it was Fargo, and we just jumped in on season 5. I think it's the kind of show, my husband said it's like American Horror Story, where you can like just start on any season. So if we like it, which we really liked it, we watched 2 episodes, we'll probably watch a different season like when we're done with this one. Yeah, that was really fun. It's there. And then on Monday, I think I did like planner stuff and took a bath and read. Oh yeah, I definitely read. I just finished a book yesterday. That was Foxglove, which is the sequel to, I forget what the first, Belladonna, I think was the first one. I really liked the first one. I was like so-so on the second one. I honestly did not love it. Like solid 3 stars. It's just, I didn't like it as much as the first one, but I did finish that. I super slept in this morning. I don't know what was going on. I was just so tired. I didn't get up until like almost 7. Like I said, I just spent most of the day filming. I need to run some errands this afternoon. With pickup, I'm just gonna put it here. It's honestly like going before. So I am gonna go leave in a minute and do that after I finish up this. Actually just gonna pop in a glitter header here, just like to break up the space, use it like as a little bit of washi. So then tomorrow, I am not gonna go to spin. I'm just gonna do errands. I don't think I'm even gonna change that in there though. I may change my mind if my daughter seems fine. I can probably book the class really last minute. I haven't booked it yet though, and I don't really think I'm going to right now, given that I don't know if my kid is gonna be at school tomorrow. So there, and then we do have, again, I'm gonna just try and like do some work before and after my call. Also dependent on if my daughter is home or not. So, but we're gonna just kind of stick that in like that. Maybe grab another glitter header here. Then on Friday, my husband is off work, which I was pretty sure of, but I wasn't 100% at the beginning of the week. He really needs to go renew his driver's license. So I'm gonna mark that in for him to remind him. Then I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. We might be building one of the presents that my daughter got for Hanukkah was actually a Barbie dream house. So that might be happening, but I also am gonna have some work stuff to do. I could say build the Barbie dream house. And my son actually got this other set. Can leave space for whatever we do on Friday night. Add some deco in here. And then Saturday, I think we're gonna do something with my mother-in-law. We also have our Sunday usual, the things we regularly do. I'll leave space for another activity here. And then I can use these glitter headers as washi again. Just kind of break up the space that I didn't use. I don't mind some white space being in there. A little bit out of deco so we can add in some little stars. Likewise, just add in maybe just like a cute little thing here for whatever we do on Sunday night. So that is the week all stickered out. I will just fill out the rest of this stuff kind of as needed. So it's actually Friday morning now. I got caught up in something else after this finished, and then I never made it back to my planner on Thursday, which is fine. We have my weekly planner here all set. I was just seeing if there was anything else I needed to add here. We had our takeout and TV night last night, and we got Szechuan food, one of my favorites. We watched TV in the basement. It's very nice, very fun. We are just hanging out, saying we, because my husband's actually home. He's downstairs. Let's see what's done here. Okay, so that is the stuff from my weekly to-do list that need to be paying attention to. Let me show you how my week turned out here. So I did Monday, and then Tuesday I literally just put a couple of things on my to-do list. I basically just spent the whole day working. And then Wednesday, again, I just used the to-do list. But I did do all of these things. And then I had planned to film Thursday as a Plan With Me, which I started, but again, got sidetracked. So now it is Friday, and we can set up some pages here as well. I have a few things that I want to do today. I am actually still going to start with the to-do list. First things first is I actually have a meeting at 10:30. That is the only thing that I have, like, schedule-wise today, except, well, actually, my husband's home, so I probably won't even, he'll probably do the car line. He usually does that when he's off, but we can just see. Okay, so the things that I should do today, I'm almost done the reflection stuff, so I'd love to finish my reflections, if not today, then throughout the weekend. So I'd like that to be done. I should do the Disney follow-up and then figure out that birthday gift because the party is tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure we're just giving money, so should be fine. Okay, and that is for my niece, who we just gave like a ton of Hanukkah presents to. Then right now I'm doing a quick planner check-in and some other stuff. Just kind of like admin. Bunch of admin stuff, and then I need to do some editing. My videos set up for the weekend. I got like kind of behind on my planned schedule, and I should definitely be able to, I have like a ton of footage filmed now. I should be able to catch up today / this weekend, like today and tomorrow, to get everything taken care of. I have some work stuff that I need to continue with, and hopefully would like to be done Tuesday. That is my goal there for that. And then I guess related to the editing, just like a content and video check-in. I started filming a vlog yesterday, and I just kept it going today because it wasn't a very busy day. It's fun little double vlog day. Maybe post another giveaway. And I have one to close too, so that's fine. All right. Also, I feel like that's everything, but I also feel like I'm forgetting things, so I'm not really sure. So then we've got lunch, and then maybe do some work, and then some reflections. Then we'll have some family time, dinner. Oh, I'm not sure what we're having for dinner. Except for, I know we're having green beans because that's the vegetable we have left in our fridge. And then should be like kind of free tonight. I don't really have anything to watch. We finished we're current on episodes on all shows as of last night. So I could also do reflections work here if I want. Maybe I will. That's probably like a nice way to spend the evening. And then I also Oh, I also really need to wash my hair. Just going in the planner. That needs to happen. I really need a shower. It's definitely another coffee kind of day over here. This has been a bad sleep week. Not like me staying up late or whatever, just Wednesday I just slept really poorly for unexplainable reasons, and then last night we had multiple kiddo wake ups, which is not, you know, my kids are elementary and late preschool age. It's not something like we have very often anymore. And I think that's kind of it. Just make sure this is all dry. This pen is like a little bit juicier than the ones I usually use, so add in a little bit of color there. I feel like it needs a little color at the top too. What is today's date? The 15th. It is sunny and cold. Cover that with a little EC dot marker, and then if we have time, we were maybe gonna build the Barbie dream house. And then we can do and there we go. So that is what my Friday is looking like. I am gonna hustle up and get on this to-do list. I do feel like there's a lot I want to get done today, but that is everything for today and for this week. So I hope you enjoyed planning with me. It's still PLANMAS, so you can come back tomorrow for another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok at MyCraftyPlans for even more planner fun, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!